Hello guys, welcome back to the programming guide. In our last video we understand about the character sets and meta characters. We saw how we can use meta character inside our character set, and we also understand about the negate meta character and how we can use meta character inside our character sets, and what precaution we should take before using meta characters inside character sets. And I also demonstrate the example of each. In this video we will understand how we can reduce the repetition of the characters inside our expression, and we will understand how we can use the group meta characters in our expression. So let's get started. Repetition meta characters. Repetition meta character used to reduce the repetition of the characters in our expression. Here you can see three repetition meta characters: asterisk, plus, and question mark. Here asterisk used to represent the repetition of the preceding item 0 or more times. Plus used to represent the repetition of preceding item 1 or more time, whereas question mark used to represent the repetition of preceding item 0 or 1 time. Question mark used for the alternative purpose. Here you can see some examples of repetition meta characters, and here you can see the difference between the three repetition meta characters. And the same examples we will see on browser practically. So let's go to the browser. Here is our text, and we will check how repetition meta character used to work. So firstly we will check repetition meta characters for star. So here we can see that it will match 0 or more of the preceding item, so it will apply for this s. Okay, it will not apply whole coders, it will apply on the last character s. So here you can see, as we know that it will match for 0 or more of the preceding item, right? So it will match coders or coders with multiple s. Here we will check for plus. So as we know, plus is used for one or more of the preceding token. Here you can see it's matching coders with one s or coders with multiple s, but not with coder because it don't have any s, right? It's for alternative purpose, is 0 or 1, so it don't have s, it's matching, it have s, it's matching, it have also s, it's matching. Because we are not giving any end of the string or starting, that's why it's matching. Yeah, and starting we will learn in our upcoming video. Here, as we know, like before we was repeating this number, like if we was matching, like we need to match for 4 numbers, so before we was repeating this, we can achieve the same thing here, like by using this. As we can see, it will match one or more than one, right? We can achieve through this also, and we can apply this repetition meta characters on this character also. Here we can see, right? So as we know that dot used to match any character except line breaks, right? If we will remove this global, as you can see, it will match only the first one, not the another. It will match any character except line breaks. So you can see is for like any character is one for minimum, and for matching this as a literal character, we need to use this. Now you can see you can use this dot as a literal character, right? So by this you can practice, and you can play with this regular expression here on regex, and you can learn more about it. So let's go back to our slides. Quantified metacharacters. It used to represent through curly braces, where starting curly braces used to represent the started quantified repetition of preceding item, and end curly braces used to represent end quantified repetition of preceding item. It used to represent as inside the curly braces we used to give two values, where first one is minimum and second one is maximum. Min and max are positive numbers, and min must be always be included and can be 0, and max can be optional. Okay, you can give optional or you can skip it. There are three syntaxes of using quantified metacharacters. Here you can see here backslash d with 3 and 6 inside the curly braces. Here it will match the numbers with 3 to 6 digits, where a single digit inside the curly braces will match exactly 3 digits, whereas the third one will match numbers with 3 or more digits, max as infinite. Here you can see that curly braces, okay, quantified metacharacter inside 0, min as 0, and max can be infinite. So it is the same as the backslash d with star repetition metacharacters. Whereas if min is 1 and there is no definition for the max, then it will be same as the plus 1, okay, plus repetition metacharacter. Here you can see some examples, and basically quantified metacharacter used to represent that how many times you want to repeat that particular character. As we can see here, we are capital letter A is followed by quantified metacharacter with min and max values. So it will match A or double A, but not triple A bonds, right? The same example we will see in a browser. Let's go to the browser. As we know that the quantified metacharacter have three syntaxes. So first one is slash d, and here we will give means minimum 3 and max value is 6, and here you can see the explanation. So you can see that it's not matching. It's matching for minimum 3 and 2 6, right? Another is exactly 3, so it's matching in the sets of 3. You can see it will not match, it will not match, right? And if we will write something like this, it will match 3 sets. And it means we are giving minimum value is 3 and maximum value is infinite. So minimum value is 3 and maximum value we can write anything like infinite numbers. Another thing is like if we will write like this, it will same as like we understand the asterisk, and here you can see it will match read. I'm writing 1. So this thing is same as asterisk. You also understand what is the quantifier this. zero or more of the preceding token. It means the value should at least 1. So if I'm removing whole, it will not match, right? And if I will add at least one digit, it will match. And maximum is infinite. Let's take an example of 4 numbers. So here you can see it's matching this number, right? If we will do something different thing like 2, then it will not match. So this is the way how you can match numbers using regular expression. Another example, we are taking this min and max value, and here you can see at least one a is needed, right? It will match, and it will match this 2 because we gave here maximum 2 time a can repeat. If I'm giving 3, then it will not match this. We will read in our upcoming videos how we can handle this. So this was the example for quantify meta character. So let's go back to the slides. Grouping meta characters. Grouping meta character used to represent by the circular brackets, where open and closed bracket used to represent the beginning and end of a grouped expression. And group expression used to group a portion of the expression, and we can apply the repetition operators to that group. It used to create a group of alternation expression. We will see how alternation group used to work, and through this we can capture group for using matching and replacing the text or the data that you want. Here is some example of grouping meta characters. Here you can see the this ABC inside the group meta character with plus sign matches ABC and this text. And here you can see how alternation is using here. So this alternation is applying for the whole IN. So here you can see it will match the independent and dependent without the IN also. Another one is mug or mugs as we want. So the same example we will see in browser. So let's go to the browser. Here is an example of the group meta character. Here we can see it is containing the guide. So here we can see the plus sign means at least one time. This plus sign is applying on this group, means the guide should be maybe like a read can contain this GUID, this group, one time minimum and multiple time infinite. Okay, so you can see here it's matching, and we can see that we can write guide many times, so it will match, right? So let's see the how alternation will work here. Let's suppose that we need to search a text with the independent and dependent. Okay, so how we will search both things? So firstly we will apply in inside the group, and then we'll apply alternation on that group. and here you can see it will match independent and dependent, right? So this means we already know that it will match between 0 1. Another is so here you can see is for alternation purpose it will search for s, or without s it will match. But this thing is same as like we can apply directly, right? So basically it's applying for this s, not the whole marks. So if you want like a group or some group of characters we need to search, or like it will be alternative manner, then we can use this group meta characters. So let's go back to these slides. Alternation meta character used to represent through sign. Here you can see the match, it will match previous or next expression, and basically it's as an or operator, and it will match either left expression or right expression, and it will order leftmost expression will get precedence, and multiple choices can be daisy changed, and group alternation expression to keep them distinct. And here is the example of alternation meta characters with the group meta characters, and here you can see how we can use the alternation meta character inside the group meta character. So the same example we will see on browser, so let's go to the browser. So here we will write a group. Inside group I will write apple and banana. So here you can see it's matching in this text apple and banana. Okay, so it will match both, or we can add more also, like if we want to add orange. Okay, so now you can see it will match orange also. We use this basically when we want multiple types of files. We want to check these, that the file name must contain these three types of extension. So that time we use this expression, like inside group we use alternation meta character. And we can use this also. Another thing is shake, right? So it will match shake. Another example is we can use like the quantified meta character, and it means like it will match any of them, like inside the group meta character. It will match at least like anyone can repeat 4 times and other will be 2 times. So here you can see. Okay, now it's matching. It will match also like right, and it will match this also, but it will not match this, right? So this is how alternation meta character used to work with group meta character, and how we can use it with some other meta characters also. So these are the examples for alternation meta characters. So let's go back to the R slides. In this video, we understand about the repetition meta characters, quantified meta characters, group meta characters, and alternation meta characters. In our upcoming video, we understand how we can contain our, like how we can start and end our regex, and how we can manage our expression. So if you learned something from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. And till that, keep learning.